welcome back to my channel. So guys, this week something a little bit different, a small snapshot of a day in my life. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video, but before we get into it, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Right, so let's get straight into it. Good morning traders, and here we go. This is how I start my day.
The risks remain, including the US election and possible headline risks related to antitrust
Bloomberg.
and regulatory questions. Joining us now for more details is Bloomberg's Danny Berger. Good morning to you, Danny. So can FANGs sustain their rally?
Good morning, and it certainly has been a blistering rally in tech, but according to the tech bulls, it can sustain its rally, and that part...
Let's see how the Dow is doing. What are we seeing at? 27.8k. Alright, so you can see that it's rallied overnight. Okay, so looks like it's definitely a bullish market at the moment. European Open is going to happen in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to scalp the European Open and see which direction it's going to take us in, just looking at price action. Let's look at a little bit more news before we trade the Open. Okay, so this is another source of information for me, being in the UK. So Sky News. So again, Italy toughens mask rules and closes nightclubs after scientists warn of cases climbing. Alright, so again, rhetoric is all on the virus. Alright. Okay, so I went long on the Open. You can see a nice big green candle there. So I took a small profit. So I've done all that before I even get out of bed. Now it's time for breakfast. So here we go. Breakfast time, my favourite time of the day. Breakfast is on. Bloomberg,
that have done very well in this environment,
breakfast.
Tend to be priced.
So here we go, breakfast on the news. Again, all the rhetoric is on the virus.
Let's get to a big corporate story there this morning.
Okay, so here we go, let's have breakfast. So I've traded the Open, had breakfast, now it's time to work out. So that's the workout done. 8 rounds of boxing, half a minute recovery in between each round. Okay, so working out is just the same as trading. It requires discipline, it requires focus, it requires structure. Okay, they're the exact same thing as far as I'm concerned in principle. Okay, so feeling it today. This old man struggles sometimes. Okay, so I've cooled down, now it's time to take a shower. No, it's not that kind of show. Let's skip on to the next slide. Okay, so basically what I do now is continue my pre-market analysis, and I don't spend hours on it. I just get a feel for what the overall market sentiment is. So this is CBNC, this is their website, and it's a website that I use. It's very, very good. It's a really good source of information. A lot of different things that you can search, you know, whether it's the European market or the US market, global sentiment. It's very, very comprehensive. It's up to date, and I like it. It's a really, really good website to use. Straight to the point. Bloomberg, again, I spoke about this previously. I really, really do like Bloomberg. Again, I use this on a daily basis. I also use the live stream on YouTube to watch the actual channel. So this is very, very comprehensive, and it's up to date, and I use this every single day. Okay, so the next one, CNN Business News. Okay, I use this for my pre-market analysis as well. Okay, so it tells me what the pre-market movers are. Okay, I use this all the time. Another good pre-market mover to use is Market Watch. This is really, really good as well. It's very, very comprehensive. So this is Stock Market Watch, and it actually gives you, a very, very comprehensive list. Penny stocks, mid-cap stocks, and high-cap stocks. So, a little bit of lunch before the US Open. So the US stock market opens at 2:30 and I am going to be trading the Dow. So let's have a little bit of lunch first up. Okay guys, so the market is looking pretty mixed today. It is bullish, but when I say it's mixed, I mean on the open I think it's going to be really mixed. I think it's going to be a lot of consolidation. It's going to be really choppy. So overall, yes, the market is bullish, but I do believe on the open that it is going to be really choppy consolidation. So I'm probably just going to look to take a really fast profit today. I'm not going to be holding anything. It's too unpredictable. So I'm looking for a really fast entry and a quick exit today. Okay, so I just entered a short position, 40 contracts. It's it's very choppy. It really is. So I'm not going to overcommit here. So just 40 contracts on a sell position. I'm probably going to have to wait a little bit, but you can see the inverted V is forming. So we will come back to it. I'm confident that it's going to continue to go down. So I'm actually going to hold this. Let's see what we can get. Okay guys, so I ended up taking a profit in that position, just a small profit. It was so choppy, but I knew it would be. I knew it was going to be really choppy. So I took that profit this morning, 8 o'clock on the European Open. I've taken another profit on the New York Stock Exchange Open at 2:30, and on the close again tonight I'll take another profit. So that's what works for me. I'm a conservative trader. I don't like to push the envelope too much. Trading conservatively, that's what works for me. Remember, it's all about psychology. You have to feel comfortable, okay? Yes, you do have to push your boundaries, but you also need to know where the boundaries have limits, okay? So that's what works for me. Find what works for you, and that's how you're going to be successful and profitable and consistent going forward. So hope you've enjoyed this week's video, and I'll see you again for another video next week. If you haven't already done so, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you want to contact me, you can contact me on my Instagram, which is sambora.00. Have a great week guys, and I'll see you again next week.